All right, gonna stain the outside now. Already did the light stain on the inside. Now I'm gonna do the dark stain on the outside. And to keep from splashing over dark into here, and actually, even though it's staining, it doesn't really seep in that much. We saw that when I was working on my daughter's bookshelf. There, that should do it. Now, good old nut container, repurposed to hold gloves. Got a video about that too, which put a link in the description to any of these other videos that I mentioned. Whoa, this is full. Oh yeah, it's all settled on the bottom. Actually, I think I'm going to shake this up. Stain is okay to shake. You don't want to shake up finish, like the final coat on like clear coating, because that will make bubbles in it. But here, yeah, that's much better. Okay, just have to stir every once in a while. Yes, I'm using one of my Horrible Fright chip brushes. And this is what's called wiping stain. I think we can see it here. It's basically, as far as I can tell, it's stain that's thinner. This is pine, and pine will soak up stuff and will soak up stain and turn practically black. This is a lot easier to get a stain and not just almost like looking like you painted it black. Should probably do this horizontal, but I wanted to do it for the camera. Well, here we have where glue has prevented the stain from soaking in. I have to do some more sanding on that, but I'll get it all stained first and then take care of that and go back and see if we can get it taken care of. Not bad. I have to clean that up, but at least in the front it ended up looking pretty good. Actually, from either end too. Oh, I still have to do the top, but hey, the light at the end of the tunnel.